War Doctor has mentioned peripheral nerve surgery. Here is what these operations actually involve and what recovery looks like. Peripheral nerves are the cables that carry signals between your spinal cord and your muscles, skin, and organs throughout the body. When a nerve is pinched, cut, stretched, or pressed by a tumor, it can cause numbness, tingling, weakness, or sharp shooting pain. Surgery is considered for compression syndromes like carpal tunnel, nerve injuries from trauma, nerve tumors, and painful neuromas after old injuries. Most compression problems are first treated with splints, activity changes, physiotherapy, or steroid injections before surgery is considered. The most common operation is decompression, releasing the tight tunnel pressing on the nerve, giving it room to glide freely again. When a nerve is cleanly cut, surgeons stitch the ends together under a microscope using sutures finer than a human hair. For missing segments, surgeons bridge the gap with a graft. For severe injuries, a working nerve can be rerouted to power a paralyzed muscle. Simple decompressions take 15 to 30 minutes as day surgery. Complex reconstructions like brachial plexus repairs can take 6 to 8 hours. Nerves regrow slowly, about 1 millimeter per day. A repair at the wrist may take months to reach the fingertips. Hand therapists and physiotherapists guide sensory retraining, motor exercises, and strengthening. This rehabilitation shapes how good the final result becomes. Risks include incomplete recovery, wound problems, painful neuromas, scar tissue, and some loss of function from donor nerves and transfers. Surgery is usually most effective within months of a traumatic injury. Delay can mean muscles lose the ability to recover. Did you know you can get this treatment abroad at the same quality you'd get in the US or Europe for a fraction of the cost?
Ginger Healthcare is one of the world's most trusted medical travel companies. It helps patients to find safe and affordable care in India, Thailand, Turkey, Singapore, Dubai, Malaysia, and more. Visit ginger.healthcare or check the description for details.